God, me have a headache. These people are giving me damn headache. Look. Here, listen up. One boy by the name of Puppet Master say I'ma come round for tax. But we not gonna pay him no tax. If him ask you for tax, you send him to me and tell him say me not pay him. But him I come round, I take money. Man can't even fix his sink and the tile on the roof. Man want tax, he must be crazy. Me killing you see. Him I kill people cause them not give him tax and me no agree with him, you know. Him a idiot boy, man. If you ever see him, you send him to me. You no bother confront him yourself. Yeah. Yes, master.
How the rascal after going here? Man must think me a joke about to not pay me tax. Bad man this, you know.
I mean, like.
Come and me lick down this door, you know.
You in charge here, blood?
Damn feisty boy.
You got jokes, blood. Where's my money?
Listen up, my youth. Me not pay no tax. On no two thief.
So what? You think you can get away with not paying?
You not hear me? Me not pay you.
Look, blood. You see my man here? He'll kick up everybody in here if I don't get my tax, blood. Everybody pays. What, you think you're bad now, blood? Yo, I'll get dark. I'll lick up everybody in here. I'll be pimp slapping everybody. You see my man? I set him on you, get me? You're too old for that, blood. You're finished.
Pass me cutlass.
Easy, you know, master. You know, you don't like you used to be, you know. You look tough.
Gimme.
Alright.
Both of them come round and ask for money. Give you jankro face, oxtail face and cock face. Alright, you see me? You ready, boy? We all up on, boy. You and your whitehead friend, yeah.
How the rascal at him a call whitehead? Him disrespectfully.
Nah, blood, just kick him up in it. Don't embarrass me now, you know, blood. I bring you all the way down here.
Eat up, ooh, you mad? Come now.
So you want to sit on your old ass?
You nasty little, come here. We are out there, come now.
From the old man.
Damn you. You nasty, you know. Come now. Watch it, you ready for this? Come off me blade. Puffy Ross. Smell it. Stop that boy, you can't read. Good.
But you can't hurt me.
You like that?
Come off me.
Jesus.
Go ahead, rotted.
You like that?
Lord of mercy, Jesus, oh Lord, yeah, tough and idiot, you get backside, tough and idiot. Jesus, blood clot. Me tell you. Use your head, man, use your head. Think say you're a young boy. God of mercy.
They're taking a piss. They're literally taking a piss. We haven't got no money to pay no fucking tax on the killed master. Where are we supposed to get the fucking money from? We have to start practicing and practicing from now, you know what I'm saying? We need to start practicing so we can kill that bitch. We ain't got no money for tax, so I ain't paying no fucking tax. Everybody here, early, very early, tomorrow morning, we're gonna start practicing. Yo, them man killed master, blood. They killed master. I'll avenge his death. He's my wow. I'll show my walk, yeah, blood, what blood? Flying fist. Knox blood. What you can slap? Fucking hell are you doing? I'm just practicing, innit? Go to the shop, man, need some alcohol. Yo, blood, you should have seen me. I was doing like triple sword spins and everything till he stopped me again. Oh, shit. Sweet, you not pay me your tax? Listen, blood, every time I go to the shop, you there. To the cafe, you there. To the pub, you there. Look, piss off, blood.
Here's what the Rasta just said to me.
Back off, blood. I'll thump you up. Look at your eyebrows. Waste, man.
Oh, you think so you're bad? Come now.
Yeah, I mean, I would, yeah, but bad fish, you get me? Yo, run, blood, run.
But wait, come here like a bad breed, you.
What? You want to drag that line fish, innit, blood? You ready?
You chat fat, boy.
Oh, yeah? This one's for my master, you get me? Ah! Come on. Yeah, what?
Shut up, you little idiot.
That's how you got to do. Hey?
Come here.
Those guys are tough, blood. Yow! You like that? Turn around. Yo, take it easy, blood. Yo, what you doing?
Calm down. See there?
Ah!
Sit down. That's all you got? That's it. Finish, you know.
Yeah!
Shelly-Ann.
Remember me?
Who's that blood? She's there last week, blood.
This is what you do here. What you want?
Me want my child support.
Them picnic no mine. You want it?
Them who picnic them is. Come here.
We not have time for this.
Yeah.
No.
Here you go.
Yes,
Come back. See how you interfere, woman.
But wait, me not
You're
finish
dealing
fight
my
with you, you know.
Go ahead. Sit your ass down.
Hold on the boss. Hold on.
Arthur, what you want?
Wait, I'm his sister, daughter, cousin, sister, nephew, niece, this.
This is why you tell me this for. Me business. What you want?
If you don't let her go, I tell everybody about you and Winston and what you was doing behind the tree down there, so the other day.
Nosy.
Chill.